what it means to have.
I'm about to leave. I have everything in the trunk, so bye.
Come out the way you went in the same. Just as diamonds shine from pressure, babe. You don't know true love until your heart breaks.
So there I was on August 18th, 2022, Atlanta, Georgia, at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. In just a couple of hours, I will no longer be in the US, but rather in the city of Paris, France. To be quite frank, it's taken me almost a year to fully process this time of my life of traveling abroad, but I'm glad that I'm now able to feel a little bit more at peace to finally edit and share this story, this journey, and this part of my life with you. So let's begin. Yes. Yay! One, two, three. Walking around. I think we're gonna go back soon, right? Yeah. Okay. Everyone is say your name.
I'm Ashley.
I'm Naomi.
Eva.
And I'm Amanda. But yeah, we're just gonna keep walking around and maybe get food because I think I'm in a snacking mood. 1, 2, 3, cheese. So yeah, 30 minutes sounds good. Okay, let's meet in 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna meet in 30 minutes. Everyone.
We haven't known each other long, but God, it's easier to say what I feel.
Okay, I just bought this tea, the Debe. Minty, so I don't really like it too much. And refreshing, and look at all the grocery stuff we bought. Can you see me? Yeah, bye. Hi everyone, I'm gonna be quiet because I don't want to be too loud. But I just came back, I got all my groceries, and I'm like sweating. It's so hot here. And now I have to organize. As I was saying, I have to organize all my stuff and clean the room and make sure everything is ready to sleep. So I'm gonna sweat some more and then organize my things.
Nick, where